Today's Quranic word of the day is Ayah, and its plural Ayat. An Ayah is a sign, and the purpose of a sign is to try to tell us something. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent mankind many signs to show us His power and greatness. He has placed Ayat in nature and in the universe, as He subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَفِي الْأَرْضِ آيَاتٌ لِلْمُوقِنِينَ, and on the earth are signs for those certain in faith. And He has even placed Ayat in us humans. وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also sent His prophets with special ayat in the form of miracles. The greatest miracle given to any prophet is the Quran that was given to our Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Every ayah of the Quran is a sign and miracle for us to reflect upon. So take notice of the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and realize His greatness. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you've benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any new content, inshallah.